Okay, another day with the another tips of research. If you are learning with us, uh, study. We talk about the introduction section, that is heart of the manuscript, and today we are going to talk about one of the engine of the introduction part, that is research gap, that supports well uh, to make an impactful introduction section, and it's a very tricky section also. Now I am also revising one of the manuscript from one of the graduate student, and I was looking at his introduction part. I see some gaps, research gap issues while he wrote this manuscript. And let's talk about this research gap. रिसर्च ग्याप भन्ने बित्तिकै तपाईँलाई के आउँछ, जस्तै के बुझ्नुहुन्छ होइन? रिसर्च गर्ने बित्तिकै विदाउट द रिसर्च ग्याप, फाइन्डिङ स्पेसिफिक रिसर्च ग्याप, वी इट्स नट पोसिबल टु स्टार्ट इनिसिएट अ रिसर्च वर्क। या रिसर्च ग्याप सजिलोसँग बुझ्नको लागि रिसर्च ग्याप भनेको इज नट समथिङ अबाउट नो बडी हेज डन बिफोर। कसैले नगरेको कुरालाई मात्र रिसर्च ग्याप हामी भन्दैनौँ होइन? देयर माइट बी unsolved limitations, or something like there might be conflict in issues in doing experiment, or in a different methodology, or untested conditions. There might be the untested conditions that needs to be applied later in the as a future work. And हामीले पढ्दा, हामीले लिट्रेचर रिभ्यू गर्दा, करेन्ट लिट्रेचर रिभ्यू गर्दा, करेन्ट लिट्रेचरमा अथवा तपाईले पास्ट पेपरहरू हेर्दा, यु माइट फाइन्ड सम लुप होल, सम स्पेसिफिक लिमिटेशन्स, सम अनटेस्टेड कन्डिसन्स, or unresolved issues. You might find that is also research gap. You can consider that as a research gap. हामीले रिसर्च ग्याप भन्ने बित्तिकै केही पनि कसैले नगरेको कुरा भन्ने मात्रै पनि हुँदैन हैन? सजिलोसँग रिसर्च ग्याप कसरी पत्ता लगाउने त? फर्स्टमा क्लियर, वी सुड बी क्लियर अबाउट दिस। इट इज नट अ गेस वर्क। हामी गेस गरेर सुरु गर्न सक्दैन। इट्स अ भेरी सिस्टमेटिक साइन्टिफिक वर्क, सिस्टमेटिक वर्क हैन? हामी सिस्टमेटिकल्ली यो हामी पढिसकेपछि आफ्टर यु सुड टेक अ टाइम, and time लिइसकेपछि you should learn a lot, you should read a lot, you should revise a lot of manuscript, review a lot of manuscript, then you can get some clue about it. Take a specific तरिका हुँदैन हैन? I can just give you the tips that can be helpful for you. First, number first मा if you go through some of the impactful journal, Q1 journal अथवा impactful journal, high impact journal, you can find a section future scope and limitations at the end of the manuscript, end of the paper, where author suggest like we can do further something like new methodology, or some additional information you can get from that, and they could have suggest for you what should we do further in future. And that section is we called future outlook and future future scope and limitation भनेर त्यो सेक्सन राखेको हुन्छ। तपाईले पेपरमा हेर्नुभयो भने लास्टमा। नम्बर 2, हामी जस्तै नम्बर 2 मा तपाईहरु के गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ भने यु क्यान, इट्स अ भेरी लङ प्रोसेस। हामी धैर्य राख्नुपर्छ, हात्तिएर हुँदैन। लिट्रेचर रिभ्यू गर्ने अबाउट 10 to 15 पेपर, 20 पेपर, एज मच एज पोसिबल हैन? लिट्रेचर रिभ्यू एउटा म्याट्रिक्स टेबल गराउने, लिट्रेचर म्याट्रिक्स टेबल गराउने, क्रिएट गर्ने, अथरको लिस्ट राख्ने, इयर राख्ने, अनि त्यस पछाडी त्यहाँको पर्फर्मेन्स लिमिटेसन के छ, त्यहाँ अप्लाई गरेको मेथोडोलोजीहरू के छ, कम्पेरिटिभली स्टडी गर्ने। तपाई 15-20 पेपरलाई एउटा टेबलमा राखेर based on the author group, year and performance and limitation मा राखेर गर्नुभयो भने you can find some clue or gap, and something will be in your mind, like why they are not doing such things, or why they are not testing this condition, something like that. You will definitely get that point. That is the another great method. You can get the idea about research gap. And another thing, like you can also do conflict. You can study the conflict also. And some of the journals, they mention about some methodology what they are adopting throughout the manuscript, and they can tell us like this method is very powerful and highly feasible or something like that. And another group of researcher or author, if you can find, they would have tell us like this method is better than method A. If you suppose the method A for group of researcher author one journal and method B for another journal, then you can get some conflict. And some authors are telling you that this method is good, better, and some authors are telling you this method is good when we applied some conditions. Like you can get some conflict from there. If you get conflict, that's a good thing. Like if you get some critical thinking, this is called the critical thinking. You should think critically why they are not doing this, why they are not applying this condition, why they are not imposing such parameters, something like that. If you are from social science research, like you can ask why they are not including this population area, geography or parameter, something like that. If you are from material field, chemistry, physics, biology, medical, something like that, you can ask them why they are using this material, why can we modify this material, something like that. There might be a lot of possibilities that we call the research gap. After you get such ideas in your mind, then your mind will start to think like, oh, okay, yeah, I can start like this research, because it's very important part, important engine of the manuscript, introduction part. If we do the poor literature review, then the overall impact of the journal can be the poor. हामीले सुरुमा लिट्रेचर रिभ्यू, पास्ट लिट्रेचरमा रिभ्यू पेपरहरू पनि हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. रिभ्यू पेपर हेऱ्यो भने सिस्टमेटिक रूपमा के मटेरियल्सहरू डेभलप भइरहेछ अथवा इयर वाइज के काम भइरहेछ त्यो कुरा पनि आफूले गेन गर्न सकिने हो. ओके, इफ यु निड फर्दर हेल्प, इफ यु निड फर्दर गाइडेन्स, one-on-one coaching, if you want to make a research as a career, then you can connect with us at Global Research Clinic. Okay, bye.